I'm going to talk today about energy.
You hear a lot about saving energy and producing green power. What you may not know is that the same Air Force program that focuses on energy also saves water. Engineers at the Air Force Civil Engineer Center work with major commands and bases to identify, fund, and implement water conservation projects. Together they save millions of gallons a year, and perhaps more importantly, they save money.
As we do in energy projects, a water project is not considered or funded unless it provides a positive return on investment. An interesting feature that we found as we've studied the average utility rates across the Air Force for several fiscal years is the fastest growing utility cost is water, which is growing right now at 10% per year across the Air Force.
At Herbert Field, Florida, 8 miles of new reuse pipes distribute more than 500,000 gallons of treated wastewater a day for construction and irrigation. The old capacity was just 10,000 gallons. Cannon Air Force Base has increased its effluent capacity by adding 2 holding ponds next to the wastewater treatment plant.
Within 20 miles of this installation, the aquifer's already dried up in shallow spots. So in our efforts to be a good neighbor with the folks and try and conserve as much water as we can, we've taken a lot of steps.
Xeriscaping is underway throughout Cannon. The use of rocks and mulch with drought-tolerant plants replaces the need for grass, water, and maintenance. A few hours to the south, water is even more precious at Holloman Air Force Base. The base relies on 5 wells and a lake more than 80 miles away to provide its water.
Holloman Air Force Base being a base in a desert climate, of course, water is a pretty important natural resource. And one of the things that we've done is construct a water reclamation facility. This project enables us to provide 600,000 gallons of water daily to the golf course with a total of 70 million gallons a year in water savings.
Another common saving measure that we found great returns on is simply to investigate the condition of your piping system and identify large leaks that could be dumping very significant amounts of water into the ground, which we pay for through the fence line meter, but we never get to use within the base.
What can you do at home to save water? Shorten your shower 1 minute. Brush your teeth efficiently. Fix leaking faucets and toilets. Avoid watering your lawn at midday to prevent high evaporation. Capture and reuse rainwater. Don't water the lawn during droughts, and wash only full loads of laundry.